Hey guys, Henry here from Keto Kapers. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing some French fries, or as we say here in Australia, chips. And we're going to be making this, we're going to be having some keto chips, or French fries, using Swede. I'm not sure what the Americans call this, but we call them Swede. And we're going to be turning this into some chips. So let's get into it. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to cut off a few little bits here, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them into French fry or chip shape. So we can have this go in the air fryer and we can get started. The first thing we're going to do once I've done that is we're going to then chuck it in a bag full of oil to make sure it is coated with oil. And that way it will fry up in the air fryer really nicely. And then we'll fry them up for about 20 minutes and then we can see the results. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting one lot into here, and I'm going to cover it with a bit more paper towel just to keep the dryness to it. And then I'm going to just wait for that to dry, and hopefully it will give us a nice crisp fry or chips. So we'll have a look how that goes. I'm just going to quickly clean up. As I say in all my videos from here on, make sure we clean up as we go. Alright, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to chop this up into chip shapes so as we can turn this into fries. Okay, so I'm going to start getting some of these fries or chips, and we're going to just throw them into this section here. To be called fries over here in Australia, make them really thin cut, and that's what we call fries over here. But I mean, I'm not sure if Americans call French fry, our regular thick cut chips, French fries, or whether they call them chips or not. But hey, we'll find out when you guys give a comment down below. Let me know what you think and hey, what you actually call them. Okay, so we'll just cut through here. Okay, as you can see, we've got some nice fries, and this is what we're going to be doing in the deep fry. Now we're going to be doing them 2 lots, and we are going to throw some oil in there. We'll try and make it reasonable, and then we're going to keep them and cook them up and see what they turn out like. Now I've got these freezer bags, and we're going to get some oil, which I'm going to get out of the cupboard just here, and I'm going to throw some oil in there. We can throw some Italian herbs and spices in it if we want to, but I think for today we'll just keep the spices off it, and we'll just throw a bit of salt into it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw some oil in this bag, and we'll just give this a nice oiling up. And there's a lot of oil there, but that's okay. We all need our fat when it comes to our keto diet. So, in case you don't know, keto is low carb, high fat, and medium protein. So, what we'll do is throw this in here, and we'll rub them all together, and hopefully it will turn out beautiful. Okay, now let's give it a good swish around and get it pre-warmed up. I have it set at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but while I'm doing this, I'm just going to have this one, which is this one is the one that was not sitting underneath any of the paper towels. So we'll just see how this goes. We'll cook this up. This should take about 20 minutes, and we'll check out what it's like, and then we'll do the next one and we'll see what that's like. Alright, I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay guys, what we're going to do is we're just going to go and get the fries, and we're going to take them out, and this is what they actually look like. They're a bit, brown, but that's what they turn out like when I haven't patted them down. I'm hoping that the next lot that I've patted down won't turn out quite like this. So I'm just going to grab my tongs and throw them in here, and we'll give them a go. So Elijah and I will, at the end of the video, we'll do a little bit of a taste test, and we'll determine if putting paper towel over them makes any difference whatsoever, and we'll determine whether or not we like this style of chip. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put these ones in here, and we're going to put that straight into my air fryer. Oopsie daisy, I'll pick those up. I'll do that one in a minute. There it is. Trying to burn myself. Don't worry, the bench is clean. And we'll just go like that and pop that straight in. So we'll put that straight into the air fryer, and we will wait, and in 25 minutes time, because they're slightly thicker chips, in 20 minutes time we'll get them out and we will do a comparison. Okay, be right back. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to take that out. It's now time, and we're going to just put these ones in. Let's turn this one off over here. Hold on a moment. There we go. Don't have to be trying to speak over the top of that now. Alright, now I'm just going to pour this into here, and we'll see what these are like. And in just a moment, my son Elijah is going to pop over, and we're going to do a little bit of a taste test to see what they're like. I'm just going to salt this one and see what this is like. So I'm going to put us salted. Ha ha ha. That's my joke for the night. A bad one, I know. So we're just going to quickly salt this up, and then once we've done this, we'll have a little bit of a taste test, and then we will proceed to take it upstairs for the rest of the family. It didn't seem to take away. If you have a look, this is the one that was done inside of the paper, and I thought maybe it would perhaps dry it up enough so it wouldn't go quite so brown. That's what my hope was. And this one here is the one where it was just without having any towel at all. Okay. Hello. Right. Alright, so what we're going to do is I want you to try one of these first and tell me what you think.
Okay.
I'll try one as well. This one's a bit cool now because it's been 20 minutes. What do you think of that?
Tastes like a sweet potato cake.
kind of like the sweet potato, but not quite. It's a more of a bit of a tangy taste to it. And let's go here. So we'll just choose one of these. I'm going to choose a nice thick one and see what that's like. These are definitely crunchier. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
What? Okay. You don't like the taste of the Swede? This is the first time he's ever eaten them. Maybe next time I'll deep fry them. See what they're like deep fried. They might be better if they're deep fried. So I'll try another one.
Give me one that's a bit less.
Well, as a potato alternative, they're certainly not bad. This is pretty good. And I'd have to say that, yeah, I'd eat these again. And because what you can do is you can mash them, you can boil them, you can also turn them into fries. I think next time I will deep fry them and we'll see how it goes when we deep fry them. Before we go, just want to let you know, if you like to smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? And also, leave a comment down below and let me know of any other vegetables that can substitute for potatoes. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.